Alright guys, so everyone has been asking about the pool situation. This is what we have after the 2 days of working on it. We power washed, we cleaned the sides, I've got scrubby brushes and more cleaner, but as far as everything on the bottom, I think the best bet is going to be to use my shop vacuum to get some of the chunky stuff up and then power wash it again with some cleaner. But yes, excuse you, don't think we're trying to make TikToks here. Alright, so just going to shop vacuum up as much as we can. Yes, I know the inside over here. Oh, not as full as I thought it'd be. I love the shop vacuum. Yes, it's pink, so I'm going to be careful with it and dump that already.